Okay, so this is an additive property of inequality of fractions in mixed numbers. Now, I have my way I like to do this. Let me see what if they do it the same way on this. If they do it like I do it. Yeah, they do it the same way I would do it. So I'm going to explain what they're doing here. There are other ways to do it, but I'm going to do it this way because it's kind of the way they're doing it. And well, here this is a little different. Um, so we'll do it the same way that the explanation does it. Okay, so here we're going to have u plus 1/4 equals 6 and 5/6. So we have to take away that 1/4, right? Because we want just to use, so minus 1/4. Okay, so we have u equals whatever this is. Okay, so we got to change the denominator. 6 and 5/6 minus 1/4. We're going to have to make 12 the common denominator, right? That's the lowest common denominator. So this becomes 10 12. So I multiply them both by 2, right? This I'm going to multiply by 3. So that's negative 3/12. Okay, and if I do that, I get my 6 days there, and we have 7/12 over here. See that? 6 and 7/12. Okay, let's check it and see. My work is right here. Yeah, looks right. Let's check it. Very good. All right, so let's clear this and try it again. All right, so now we have b plus 1/2 equals 7 and 1/4. Okay, so I'm going to take away the 1/2. Take away the 1/2. This is going to be a little more complicated, I can see. So let me explain to you what we're going to do here. We have 7 and 1/4 minus 1/2. Okay, so now we're going to change the force, right? So this is going to be, I'm thinking we can move this into more room, I think. Well, we'll try it. This is still going to be 7 and 1/4. But this is going to be, now we're going to times it by 2. So I have 2 force. Okay, now you see that, how that is? We can't really take away 1 from 2 and get, with this fraction. So what we're going to do is we're going to borrow from the 7, make it a 6, and add 4/4 to this. So that makes that a 5 on top. Okay? So what I'm saying is this is the same as 6 and 5/4. That's what I have right there, minus 2/4. That's what I did right here. I changed that 7 into 6, and I added that because I changed 7 into 6 and 4/4, and I added it to my 1/4. So I got 6 and 5/4. Okay, there was some work like that. There was a topic like that back in the prerequisites. So if we get stuck, let me know. We can work on that some more, or you can maybe review that a little bit. Okay, it's 6 and 3/4 is your answer. You go back into review section and review that a little bit to see if you can remember how to do that. So right now, let me get that back up here. That's 6 and 3/4. So let's write that over here. Let's make sure it's right. Let's put it over here. 6 and 3/4. Okay, let's check it. Okay, we'll do another one. Okay, we have W. Oh, this is going to be adding, so this shouldn't be any real problem. W minus 4/5 equals 1/4. So we're going to add 4/5 to both sides. So this cancels out right here, right? So we have W equals 1/4 plus 4/5. So if make it 20ths, right? So times 5 times 4. So we have 20ths on the bottom. This becomes 5/20ths. And this becomes 16/20ths. Plus, so we add them together, we get 21/20ths. Again, it's a fraction operations that are going to be tricky for us. So make sure, you know, we review those or ask me questions so we can work on those, okay? Because we have to get those fractions figured out, okay? So let me know how it goes. If you have any problem with that, it's going to be with that. So we can work on some more fractions as we go. Let's do this last one, and then I'll let's go, okay? So y minus 4/5 equals 2 and 1/2. So we add the 4/5 to both sides. That makes it y here, and this is 2 and 1/2 plus 4/5. So we got to make it tenths. Wait a second, I just want to do something here. Just want to write it a little nicer, okay? We have 2 and 1/2 plus 4/5. We have to make it tenths, okay? So 2 and 5/10 and 8/10, right? So I got that. Multiplies by 5, multiplies by 2. So I have 2 and 13/10. Now, see that? That's an improper fraction right there. Again, there was a topic like this in the prerequisites. So what we do is we divide the 10 into 13, we get 1. So 13/10 is equal to 1 and 3/10, right? So if I take my 1 and 3/10 plus my 2, I get 3 and 3/10, right? So my answer here is 3 and 3/10. Right. All right. I know it's a bit complicated. I know it's a bit confusing, but I don't want to get too hung up on the fractions. I want to make sure you understand the concepts of inverse operations and stuff like that. So let me know if you get stuck. Let me know if you need any help, and we'll work through it, okay? All right. Good luck.